Have you ever wished that you could turn those insightful conversations with friends, with work colleagues, and meetings into valuable written content that you could use for your newsletter posts, articles, and social media updates? In this video, I want to show you how I used AI tools to take a discussion I had and turn that discussion and the ideas out of it into a written article of about 1,500 words for LinkedIn. So picture this, you're in a sales and marketing department, you're talking to clients, and there's such a wealth of information being shared that it's hard to capture it all. Reflecting on a past job of mine where I was a business development manager at a high-tech company, I remember doing a lot of presentations and pitches over Zoom and Teams. I'd take notes, filling up these notepads. This information was really valuable for maintaining the sales funnel, but also providing to the marketing department. Imagine being able to access all these conversations you've had in the past without relying solely on your memory. There's tools now that can record our conversations and transcribe them. So even in Zoom, the paid service, or Microsoft Teams, or if you use tools like Otter or Fathom, even in internal meetings between departments, I would suggest recording some of these conversations so that the ideas and the discussions around it about strategy and how your business is operating, how your teams are operating, can be captured and then maybe utilized to create those written assets. Okay, here's what I did. I took one of my recent podcast episodes about how AI is disrupting the fashion industry with a very well-known industry expert called Mark Harrop, and I went into my YouTube channel and I showed the transcript by clicking there. And I can copy the transcript and paste it into a Word doc. So I can create a text file out of my transcript and now save it onto my hard disk. I then uploaded the transcript that I've saved into ChatGPT by clicking here. And then in addition, I can upload examples of articles or written material that I've written in the past so that ChatGPT can know my style, my language that I use. So I'll go into my articles and I'll load in a good example. So to kick things off in ChatGPT, I can create a prompt where I write, I have a transcript from a podcast episode about using AI. Please summarize the main points, then create a 1,000 or 700 word article that I used in the end, suitable for a LinkedIn audience. Here is a template that outlines the tone and the structure of it that I want you to follow. Please ensure the article is engaging, informative, and aligned to my brand's voice. So in this case, I asked it to offer me ideas and bullet points and to offer a structure for the article based on the article example I gave it. And I even say to it, don't necessarily copy and agree with my statement. It already kicks it off and starts building the different ideas and thoughts that and topics that we discussed in the podcast. And now I can take that and start digging in deeper. I can say, yeah, this more or less aligns with what we discussed. So let's try to write this in a structure for a 700 word article. And then later on, I asked it for LinkedIn posts and even quotes from Mark so that I can use. So as you can see, it actually goes into depth. AI is a necessity, not an option. Educational skills gap that we talked about, generative AI and customization, economic and operational shifts, and sustainability in AI. It asks me, are you okay? Is that the kind of topics that you want to talk about in the article? And I tell it, yes, this more or less aligns. Also use the points I make. So I wanted to take into consideration what I talk about. It's not all about what Mark says. And now I can engage it in ideas. So, different headings, different titles for the article. I can ask it for different structuring. In this specific situation, I remember that Mark came to the brands talking about the start of the internet, and some of the brands just brushed him off and they said, you're talking Star Trek. So I remind the AI about that. So can you write that into the article? Tell that as a story and as a warning to new companies to not ignore artificial intelligence like they ignored the internet. So those brands that ignored the internet, some of them disappeared. Many companies are going to go through that with artificial intelligence. It's a point that I wanted to make in my article. So I specifically asked ChatGPT to use that piece of information because I see it hasn't done that in the first draft. The goal of the exercise, though, is to kind of get a rough draft done quickly so that I can then copy this text and go into, let's say, my Microsoft Word file or directly into LinkedIn. So here I've got the article, I've pasted in my first draft or the draft that I liked from ChatGPT, and I've gone in and edited myself and added and fine-tuned it, given it my own personal touch, my own personal voice. I pulled out a lot of information out of it, but also the information that I wanted to add or I remembered from my discussion, I was able to kind of add into it personally and make sure that the article is structured and written in the way that I would normally write. So now all those conversations that would just sit in your meeting rooms or in your podcast can be polished into written content in no time. For me, the first draft, going from the transcript into a first draft of a script or a breakdown, an outline, took me all of about 2 to 3 minutes of work. And then to get to the final article, which I posted on my LinkedIn, took an extra 15 to 20 minutes. So let's say you have, within half an hour, you've got an article that's ready to go to post on your social media or to post on a website as a newsletter. So a really good way of working. I really recommend that businesses or you as a brand, as a person, use the materials that you've got lying around and these conversations, record them and transcribe them, because they're useful pieces of information, useful pieces of knowledge that you can use for your content. So let me know what you think about unlocking hidden value in your conversations in this way. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow my channel. I would really appreciate it. If you want to hear more tips and tricks like this, then please do subscribe. And be sure to share in the comment section of how you're using AI to boost your productivity. So thanks for listening in and see you next time.